Okay. Here. 3-year-old, 2.5-year-old foreclosure. It's an American legend. Great builder. I mean, I have a Highland, but if there was no Highland, I would have probably bought an American legend. They got great wood flooring. Here, let me take you through into the main area. Closet. Previous owner guy got screwed. He dealt with one of those realtors that gave him like 2.5% back. Realtors, I know this realtor, I've met him twice. And he gives 2.5% back, does no work. He says, go to the builder, put my name on the contract, I'll give you 2.5%. Texas is trying to put guys like him out of business because they say, we don't care if you make $1. You still have to do what your license requires you to do. So anyway, it's got, GE cooktop, high output burners, a hood. I think it's vented, yeah. Yeah, it's vented. Convection. Nope. But it's clean. I mean, the house is 2.5 years old. You couldn't even screw it up that fast. But anyway, this buyer, she goes to the builder. He gets like 10,000 off, and he pays like 570, 560 or something like that. It was insane. He got $10,000 off. By the way, even the carpet is good. I mean, a little bit of a problem there. Laundry. They just got this foreclosure. They want to sell it. It's all been winterized. Again, the house is 2.5 years old. I'll show you. This is not laminate or LVP. This is real wood flooring. Built by American legend. Anyway, so the buyer goes out, spends all that money. 2.5 years later, oh, that's right. They must have turned off some of the breakers. By the way, the house has really nice blinds. I'll show them some more to you. There's thousands of dollars worth of blinds here. Best realtor in Texas. If you see him, talk to him. Yeah, all these are turned off. He told me there was a problem. They turned off some of the breakers. Even American Legend is such a cool builder. Again, I'm partial to Highland, but they're good quality. Anyway, so the buyer paid, I think, 560. This thing's on the market now for 450. It's got a small media room. I haven't seen this before like this. It's just enough for like 6 people. You see it's wired. Boy, put some speakers in here, you can blow your eardrums out. So the guy's mortgage, he put like $50,000 down. And his mortgage was like 520. So it's 70,000 off of his mortgage. I think that realtor should lose his license. Yeah, the guy does no negotiation, doesn't make a phone call for you, doesn't go to closing. He just says, put my name down on it, and you get the check. Oh, well. This is it. It's clean. Again, it's 2.5 years old. These are the blinds. These are the ones, like I have these in my home. I mean, I had these put in like in 2017. And so you can do this with it. If you want privacy, if you want a little bit of light, etc. I mean, you're talking thousands of dollars just in blinds. It's not a reason to buy the house, but it makes it better. For $450, it's like 2,800 square feet. That's that. Give me a call.